Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about Google Trends, that how you can check the Google Trends and what's going on. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do. So now we have to open the Google Chrome. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to go to the Google Trends. So let's write the Google Trends here. So as you can see, after searching for the Google Trends, you will see the options like this. It's up to your country. You will see the options as per your country. I have already bookmarked, so I'm going to directly open this. So you have to also search in the same way. So let's go to the scroll this down, and here's the Google Trends. I have bookmarked it, and now as you can see, I have selected the United States, and now I have selected the daily search trends. That how many searches are going in a day. Real Madrid has 100K plus searches in a day, and Saturday and 2nd March 2024, and 100K plus searches are for the Real Madrid, and Inter Miami has 100K plus searches, and the fastest 40 yard, as you can see, these all are written here, that how many searches are and what their names and all the things are mentioned here. 50K plus searches, and as you can see, scroll down, 20K plus searches. These all things are mentioned here, and as you can see, 200K searches and 100K searches, the all things are provided here. Now you can use them, utilize them. If you want to make videos on them, if you want to make shorts on them, you can also do that. It's very to understand. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can open the Google Trends and how you can check that. If you want to change the country, you can also do that. Simply you have to select the country from here, and you will see the searches according to that. So in this way you can use the Google Trends. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.